Welcome to the Honeywell Advanced QuietSet 16-inch stand fan with noise reduction technology overview. In this video, we'll be going over the key features of the product, assembling your fan, adjusting the settings of your fan, and how to clean and maintain the blades to extend the use of your fan. The Honeywell Advanced QuietSet 16-inch stand fan comes with noise reduction technology and delivers powerful whole room cooling. Noise reduction technology incorporates a new aerodynamic blade and diffusion cone design that provides you with more cooling power and less noise. The easy-to-use control panel on the front of the fan allows users to seamlessly select between the multiple speed settings and automatic shut-off timer. The QuietSet controls on the front of the fan offer 5 cooling levels to choose from, ranging from sleep to power cool. A full-function remote control is included for convenience. The fan also has an adjustable height with a maximum height of 48 inches, oscillation feature, and a tilting head, making for an extremely versatile fan. The removable grille simplifies the cleaning process and will have this fan operating at full capacity longer. To assemble your fan, start with the base. Find the metal fan pole with the L-shaped bolt and washer at the bottom. Remove the L-shaped bolt and washer by turning the bolt counterclockwise. Next, extend the silver pole to its full length and place the fan pole into the base. Align the pole in the base using the tabs as a guide. Now, gently place the base on its side. Reinsert the L-shaped bolt and washer on the bottom of the fan base. Tighten by turning clockwise. Now it's time to assemble the upper portion of the fan. Remove the thumb screw from the lower portion of the fan motor assembly by turning it counterclockwise. Insert the fan motor assembly into the fan pole. Once both halves are aligned, reinsert the thumb screw and tighten by turning clockwise. The circular rear grille mounting nut will come attached to the motor assembly. Remove it by turning counterclockwise and place it off to the side. Place the rear grille onto the motor housing, making sure the 2 holes in the center of the rear grille fit over the 2 raised knobs on the motor housing. Now place the rear grille mounting nut back onto the center of the fan and tighten by turning it clockwise. Next, grab the fan blade and align the hole in the center of the fan blade with the screw extending from the motor assembly. Make sure that the 2 slots on the back of the fan blade align with the bars extending from the shaft surrounding the screw attached to the motor assembly. Now, attach the blade knob to the center of the fan. Tighten by turning counterclockwise. Properly align the front grille with the rear grille and secure the grille onto the fan by raising the built-in clips around the front grille. Fasten these clips onto the rear grille. On the front of the fan, you'll find the control panel. To turn the fan on, press the power button located at the bottom of the control panel. To turn the fan off, simply press the power button again. At the top of the control panel is the fan speed button. To adjust the speed up or down, press the fan speed button repeatedly to increase the level. The 5 levels include sleep, calm, white noise, refresh, and power cool. Below the fan speed button is the timer button. The timer button allows you to choose from a 1, 2, 4, or 8-hour automatic shutoff timer. Pressing the button once will select a 1-hour timer. Pressing the button a second time will select 2 hours, a third time will select 4 hours, and a fourth time will select 8 hours. Pressing the timer button a fifth time will turn the timer feature off. An oscillation feature is included with this fan. Locate the oscillation feature on the top panel of the motor housing. To start fan oscillation, push the oscillation knob down. To stop fan oscillation, pull the oscillation knob back up. All functions of the fan, not including oscillation, can be controlled by the included remote control. Cleaning your fan will ensure its continued use and longevity. To clean the fan, start by ensuring the fan is turned off and unplug the fan from the wall. Next, you'll want to remove the front grille. Release the grille clips along the edges of the fan. Once removed, unscrew the blade knob by turning it clockwise. Next, pull the fan blade away from the motor housing. Now, gently wipe the fan blade and grilles with a soft, damp cloth. Once clean, reinstall the fan blade onto the extending screw from the motor assembly. Make sure that the 2 slots on the back of the fan blade align with the bars extending from the shaft surrounding the screw attached to the motor assembly. Attach the blade knob on the center of the fan and tighten by turning counterclockwise. Properly align the front grille with the rear grille and secure the grille onto the fan by raising the built-in clips around the front grille. Fasten these clips onto the rear grille. For more information or to purchase the Honeywell 16-inch QuietSet stand fan with noise reduction technology, visit www.honeywellstore.com.